Hey guys, so a while ago I purchased a Peter Thomas Roth mask set. It's a set that has a bunch of his masks, so you can try them out because his masks are pretty expensive. So he has this awesome set where you can, I believe it's like 5 masks that are in it. I will link it down below, but you can try out all the different masks and see what you think of them, see if any of them work for you, and then if you want to buy the full size, you can buy the full size. So each of the masks is only a half an ounce. And I just wanted to share this one because this is actually my favorite from the set. And I'm sure that everyone has a different favorite just depending on what their skincare needs are. But I really just loved trying out all these different masks. It's just a great way to pamper yourself at the end of the day. Just putting on a mask and just relaxing with your favorite trashy TV show. Just, put this thing on and then, watch The Bachelorette or Bachelor in Paradise. And the smell of it is divine. It does have a pumpkin scent to it, like a pretty strong pumpkin scent to it, a very natural pumpkin scent. It's like pumpkin pie scent going on your face. And then there is a pretty strong tingling sensation as you're using it, really quite strong. So if you have very sensitive skin, this may not be the mask for you. You might want to just try like a little bit on, part of your skin that isn't really very sensitive, like maybe your jawline or something. Just try a little spot of it if you have sensitive skin and see how that works before doing it on your whole face. Definitely has a strong tingling sensation and pretty powerful stuff in this one, and it does just really slough off all that grossness off your face. And I really just am so into exfoliating lately, and I like the fact that you don't even have to scrub it. It's not like a face wash where you have to, it does have some little kind of scrubby beads in it, but you don't actually have to scrub your face with this. You just layer it on and then you rinse it off. So it's mostly the enzymes, the pumpkin enzymes that are really getting in there and just getting the gunk, just sucking all that gunk off your face. So this is my favorite from the set, and I will link the set down below if you guys want to check it out. I might get the full size of this once I've used it up. A little bit goes a really long way. So actually this little half-ounce bottle, I feel like I could probably get 5 or 6 more uses out of it, honestly, because you don't really need to use a whole lot to get your whole face. So for a long time, I've really loved the PTR products. So I would recommend checking this out and his other products as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.